have the lead architect, Karina Kane.
Good morning. My name is Zachary Polite. I'm the landscaping architect for the next generation. As you can see, we have built our site for the front, and this is the retention pond. These are the remaining buildings. So any pedestrians that come, the retention pond, like it collects the rainwater, and we have a fountain, and that is recycling. So it attracts attention to people to come and check out to see what the site is all about. We built big windows, like we have windows in our building on the west side facing the sun. Our team project is attempting LEED Gold certification, and so far the next generation construction is attempting 76 points. Now on to my colleague, Karina.
Good morning again. When we first started brainstorming this, we decided that we're going to primarily stick to the first floor building because it actually gives us more room on the site. It doesn't look like, like little pebble in like the middle of a field. So, to give you a little perspective, this is our fitness area, and it is actually located here. And the reason why I did this was there are windows that are going to be all along here so that you can see nature, and there's also like a water feature that's over there in that area, so that when you're working out, you can actually see, like the nature is coming inside. And we also split it up where this side is the intercollegiate, and here is for the general public. And when you first come up, it's kind of like a second floor, but the way you walk up it, it's like this huge ramp. That's also, for people who are handicapped. And you enter here. And then this is the concession stand, the ticket counter, and then the bathrooms. And all of these are going to be the stands. From there, when you look down, you'll see the basketball courts. And then you enter the two sides of the building here.
Hello everybody, my name is Quentin Gray, and I'm a structural engineer. For next generation, we was kind of all about getting materials that we recycle. So I'm going to start with, we wanted to use the bowstring joist because we have like a semi-circle roof look. And for our walls, we use masonry walls, which is very recyclable. Also, we use precast marina seats, which pull in and out. And as I said, as next generation main focus, we are focused on to recycle. Also, I am the interior designer. Our main focus was, this is our main area carpet, which is our wall paint and carpet for common areas. We have office desks that's going to be in all rooms and conference tables. This office desk chair, which is recyclable, as I said. Also, we're going for lighting, we're kind of going for that industrial modern look. So, and both these sides, which we have green and blue, like how green show how we have our building. We have two sides, so it's kind of, we're going to have to split up into two different types of designs. And as well as that, I'm going to pass it on to my colleague, Alfred Spencer.
I'm Alfred Spencer, and I'm the electrical engineer of Next Generation Construction. Well, here we take today's dreams and build for tomorrow. As you can see, some of the features that we added to our gymnasium, we consider using fluorescent light fixtures. You see that it saves 20 to 40% of electrical energy being used, which we primarily use throughout the whole gymnasium. We've also considered using inside down light fixtures with occupancy sensors, therefore detecting every motion, whether we're going in and out of conference room. So therefore, we'll be able to save energy that way. Also, we show concern about our habitat that surrounds our gymnasium. So therefore, to our outside light fixtures, we added a downward shield. In other words, instead of expanding the light in its own radiance, we considered it to reflect it downward, so it wouldn't disturb the habitat that surrounds us. If, for example, we decide to use these kind of models of fluorescent light fixtures, and also we considered what may be important to the gymnasium owner. Not only are we saving, but we're also recycling as well. For example, we've recently, one additional feature we recently used was Orlando Magic's old hardwood floor. Therefore, allowing us to save the wood, we're able to refurbish it, renew it, and use it for further purposes. Also, not only that, we've also diverted 90% or more of construction waste, such as recycling wood, cardboard, drywall, etc., the further use of construction purposes. And also, we've also shown concern about air quality. So, in addition to that, we consider using low VOC paints, as well as paints, adhesives, coatings to improve our air quality as well. Now on to my colleague, Mahmoud.
My name is Mahmoud, and I'm the general contractor for Next Generation. As the general contractor, I'm in charge of the SWIP plan, which keep the debris from leaving the site. Here's the SWIP fence, which keeps the rocks and sand from going on into the road. The inlet protection keeps the rocks and sand from going into the sewers. And the construction entrance, which is would remove the rocks and sand from the trucks going in and off the construction site. As the general contractor, it's my job to keep the site safe and we will have to be starting construction before the design is done, which allows us to complete the project in less than 1 year. Lastly, the budget of $12 million will be met. One of the budget items just that we are most excited about is the donation of the youth basketball floor from the Orlando Magic. Is a $12 million plan. General condition is $6 million. The site work is $1,200. The concrete is